Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery, your go-to page to master your favorite tech platforms. For today's video, I will show you how to download BlueWillow AI images. To download images in BlueWillow AI, the first thing to do is to know how to open in web browser and upscale the images that we want to download. So here, we have this image here. Select the image or double-click on your mouse, and it will lead us into this. Click on Open Web Browser. After we are routed into this bigger version of the images, right-click and click on Save As. Let's try to reopen it. As we can see here, it was saved nicely and not pixelated. If we only want to save the upscale version of one of these images, just click here and wait for a few moments as BlueWillow AI will generate it. And this is the upscale version of that image. We will try also upscaling this one. And now, we will repeat the steps we made earlier to download these images. Select on the image, open in browser. After routed to much bigger version of it, right-click and click on Save As. Repeat the same step on the other image as well. As we checked, BlueWillow AI has no other saving option of images than this one. And that is how to download images on BlueWillow AI. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please click on the notification bell and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!